Nicole here with Mom's Door Decor. I'm going to show you today how I make a bow using these 4 ribbon. We got a black and white plaid, we have yellow with black polka dots, and we have bumblebees, and we have the regular black. Alright, so I'm going to start by using the Easy Bow Maker, the Deluxe. I like using this when I'm making my bows. And you can start with any one of your ribbon that you want. I'm going to start with the black at the side, and we're going to redo. And I'm just twisting my ribbon. Just twisting it this way and putting it through the 2 dowels here. Okay, you can make it any inches you want, but I like to do a 6 inch. I usually don't do any bigger than a 6 inch unless it's for something specifically big and not a wreath. But for my wreaths, I do all 6 inch. You can make them as big or as small as you like. Then I'm going to just go off to the 6 here. And I'm going to twist in the center. I'm going to make 2 loops on either side. Okay. Do not need to twist the last top loop here. All right, the next one I'm going to do the yellow and black. I'm going to make my tails the same length as the black, except my loops are going to be shorter. I'm going to make them 5 inches instead of 6. I'm going to twist and make 1 more loop on the other side. So this is only going to be 1 on each side instead of 2. The second ribbon. Okay. All right, so I have 5 inches and 5 inches. Just going to check them. Yep, same size. Okay, for the next one, I'm going to do the bees. So cute. All right. They are so cute. I love bee wreaths. I think they're one of my favorites to make. Okay, I'm going to twist the end for the tail here. And I'm going to do 2 loops on either side. And I'm going to do 4 inches. Twist. Okay. Just going to check them with each other here. Okay, good. Even. And then I'm going to do 2 more, measuring them with the bottom loop that's already there of the beads. All right, last loop. I do not need to measure, or I mean twist. Just going to pull the loops, spread the loops out as I'm holding the center, because otherwise you'll lose everything that you've done. Okay, there you go. And that's what it looks like so far. Cute. And I'm just going to finish with this smaller 1.5 inch ribbon. The rest were all 2.5 inches, and I'm going to finish with the smaller one just to give it a little accent. And I'm going to make the bottom longer. The bottom tail is going to be longer because I'm going to kind of curl it up. All right, and then I'm just going to do 1 loop on each side at 3 inches. Twist. This one can be a little bit longer. No, shorter. Okay. Still going to dovetail this 1.5 inch too. Sorry about that. That's a horrible sound. When you pull a ribbon from the wood with the cardboard and the wood together. Ugh, it's like one of them screeching sounds. Anyhow, so this is what you're finished with here. Okay, this is not the finished, but this is what you have so far. And then we're going to finish by taking a zip tie, and we're going to put it underneath all of the ribbon from the bottom up. I'm just going to double check that I have everything in there, because sometimes, sometimes something's left out. So I'm just going to pull it out. Up, see, there's one that's left out. That's okay, because we didn't tie it tightly. So I'm just going to put that, turn it upside down. I'm just going to show you. This loop didn't get put underneath of the zip tie. So I'm just going to hold the zip tie because it's not tightly fastened. I didn't pull it all the way. I'm just going to put this ribbon underneath like that, just so I have my loop in there. Okay. Just going to arrange my loops where I want them to be, and my tails too. Okay, I'm going to turn the zip tie to the back, and in the back I'm going to put in a pipe cleaner. I'm going to twist that on, and then I'm going to tighten the zip tie. Just going to pull it as tight as possible. Okay. And I'm going to use these to hold as a holder, like a bouquet. And then underneath, I'm going to fluff the bow, just all the loops here. Okay, so I'm just going to pull out the tails so that they're nice and curled and pretty. Okay. Okay, so these two that I had made longer, I'm just going to curl them up. Okay, and there you go. There you have a bow. Thanks for watching. Have fun with it.